Hey guys, it's Tom here again. This is the second video in the outreach series. Video is just going to be showcasing how to automate the actual sending of the messages. The things you will need for this is just one tab open with your outreach script, another one with the prospect sheet we created in the last video, and the macro recorder. The link for this is in the description, as well as the macro. I would really recommend getting the macro and just editing what I say to. So the first thing you're gonna need to change is this bit here under the Windows title. Now, this is getting me to this window because it's email scripts in Google Docs, and then inside of Google Chrome. If you are using Google Docs, which I'd recommend, the only thing you need to change is the title of the page. Say it was called Outreach Scripts. You just need to change it to that, and it is case sensitive. And the same thing with the other one for the Google Sheets document. Once you've done those two, the next thing you're going to need to customize is having the mouse click, if it wants to display, is having this one here, click right on the logo of the... The next thing you're going to need to do is have this one clicking right here on the Facebook hyphen, the highlighted piece of text there. And then the next one is just going to be slightly below that. The reason the next one is slightly below is because if I open this up, you need to be clicking on this link in order to get it to the next tab. After that, the next click here is going to open up this tab. Now the first very important thing for you guys to note is that you'll see a bunch of these image to text here. So each screen can be different, and I would definitely recommend making these yourself, especially if they don't work. But what you basically do is select detect image, then click this button here and just select the message button. You'll see I always select inside of it, not the white outside. Turn the color tolerance up, make sure it's set to centered next, and after 1 second, go to next. And I would recommend clicking restrict search area and defining the search area to sort of, the top bit of the screen. Otherwise, occasionally it can bug out. Now, whenever it doesn't click on this message button, and you'll know that because the message tab won't pop up, I would recommend just taking another image detect of the message. These things take about a second to run through each one, but it's automated, it makes it a lot easier. And once you've got all of those, you don't need to worry about anything else till here. Just open this up to show you what this is. So this is just going to be clicking to open the text box. Then it does type in the message. You'll see it says backspace here. That's because I end up texting there, typing there, and it backspaces to delete the space underneath. You can take that out if you don't need it. And then the next one is just to re-click on the message there. After that, it's going to scroll up and up and up and up, scrolling this message up to the top. And then it's going to click to open up the old sheet again, and then click here to select the name of the place you have. Whether you type these in manually or not, they should have come from the Founder Buster import we did in the last video. It's then just going to copy this, click back over here. Then the mouse is going to move down here and click on, if you've done it correctly, it clicks just next to the hey here, or whatever your introduction is. Obviously, it then does space and paste in the name of the place. After that, it just waits about a second and then clicks send. Then it's going to go up here and wait a little bit longer before closing. The reason it does wait for about 4 or 5 seconds is in case there's an auto message. If you close straight away, what's going to happen is the next time you open up Facebook, it opens up this message bar again. And that's very annoying because it misplaces where everything's clicking. Then it's just going to close this tab here. Then go back. It'll open this one up just because it's closed it, and then it's just going to click down somewhere near the bottom of your page. You'll see it just opens this tile here, then clicks the down arrow. This is just to move it down one row at a time, and then make sure it is moving it down one row at a time, and then it restarts itself again. Now, you do sort of have to keep an eye on it because eventually your messages will stop sending through. That's just how Facebook messages work. Once that happens is you just need to switch an account there, and it should be all good to go again. Right, I hope you guys found this one useful. If you have any questions, just ask them and I'll do my best to answer it.